Hey guys, it's Jessa here with another quick Etsy tip. So I wanted to show you guys how to grab a URL for your store today. It's actually really easy. So all you need is your store name. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to copy it. So you just paste that into the toolbar. Next type .etsy.com. And that is your store URL. So basically you add your store name, .etsy.com, and it's a nice neat URL for you to pop on your business card or wherever you want. The URL etsy.com/shop/store name also works, but I just find the first version is a lot neater, it's a little bit shorter, and it's a lot easier to sort of send traffic using that URL. So I hope this was helpful. Just a little quick tip for Etsy, just to grab your store URL. This is actually part of a series that I have done, so I will link to the playlist just here. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on online marketing to make your business grow every single week. I will see you guys around. Bye.